Introducing the electric spray gun 800 ml, a high-power cordless handheld paint sprayer designed for effortless home DIY projects. This innovative tool offers convenient spraying capabilities, making painting tasks a breeze. Powered by a Makita 18 V battery, it provides reliable and efficient performance without the hassle of cords, allowing for unrestricted movement and versatility. With its 800 ml capacity, this spray gun can handle a wide range of painting jobs, from small touch-ups to larger surface areas, with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during extended use, while its lightweight construction enhances maneuverability and control. Equipped with advanced spraying technology, this electric paint sprayer delivers a consistent and smooth finish, achieving professional quality results every time. Whether you're painting furniture, walls, or outdoor surfaces, this tool offers precise and uniform coverage, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your projects. The convenience of cordless operation combined with its powerful performance makes the electric spray gun 800 ml an essential addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. And with its affordable price point of just $37.5 on AliExpress, it offers exceptional value for money. Upgrade your painting experience and tackle your next project with confidence using this reliable and efficient electric spray gun.